Welcome to the Lucro dashboard. In this tutorial video, I'm going to showcase the new Plaid connection feature. This feature allows you to connect Plaid to the Lucro platform or update an existing connection or delete an existing connection. So once you navigate to the Lucro dashboard, you'll use your left-hand navigation bar to settings. If I click on settings, you have your profile, your password, as well as Plaid management. Under Plaid management, when I pull this up, this is just the demo account. So here is the demo chase account. You can delete this account should you want to, or you can connect a new account. So at the top right-hand side, it says link bank account. If I click on link bank account, it will open up the automated Plaid connection protocol. Now, I'm not going to go through this protocol. So obviously there's some security reasons for it, but you'll just follow the prompted steps to make sure that the connection is fully made. You may run into a situation where we ask you to reconnect Plaid. So you may have a view where there is this little red warning sign that is telling us that this connection needs relinking. And then you will click on the relink button, and then you will go back through that Plaid connection sequence, and you'll follow the prompts with Plaid in order to ensure that that connection is linked correctly. And so that is how you either link Plaid into our platform, delete an existing connection, or relink a broken connection.